For today's buttercream flower piping tutorial, we are making these easy anemone flowers. To begin, use a small amount of buttercream to attach a square of parchment to a flower nail. These can also be piped directly onto cakes or cupcakes. Using a medium consistency white buttercream and a number 103 tip with the narrow end facing out, hold your tip slightly off center, apply pressure, start turning your flower nail, pull out, and then pull back in to form each of these petals. In total, we're going to want to pipe 5 of these outer petals, and we want to ensure that they are all touching, and we're going to leave a gap in the middle to pipe another row. As always, all of these instructions can also be found in the description box below. For the inner petals, we're going to tuck our tip directly into the middle, and we're going to pipe in that same motion, except for we're going to make sure we come back to that center point each time so we fill in the middle of our flower completely. So apply pressure, pull up while spinning, and then pull back to your center point and release. Next, I'm going to switch to a black buttercream and a number 18 star tip. I'm going to apply a small amount of pressure and pull up to create the center of our anemone flower. Now I'm going to switch to a number 1 tip, still using that same black buttercream. I'm just going to pipe a circle around the center that we had piped previously to finish off the middle of our anemone. And that is how easy it is to pipe these fun spring buttercream flowers. These look amazing on cakes and cupcakes, and they can also be piped directly onto cookies using royal icing. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe, and I'll link a few more here for you. Thanks so much for watching.